Hi guys, my name is Miss Kate and I will be teaching y'all a lesson about decimal as links. So looking at my paper, I have a strip that is equal to 1 and I have a strip that is equal to 10 over 10. I have a little smaller square that is equal to 1 over 10 and I have a strip, like a little line, that is equal to 1 over 100. So I will be using these manipulatives to basically physically show you guys the decimals in a different form. So I'm going to be starting with an example question, which is the decimal 2.6. So another thing before I start that will be useful in knowing is the values in which each number is at. So with the 2, where would that be on the place value chart? Do you guys know? Yeah, so that will be in the ones place. What about the 0.6? Do you guys know where that will be in the place value chart? Yeah, so that's in the tens place. So using our little paper towels, I'm first going to grab 2 of the 1 strips to show 2, and then I'm going to grab 6 of the smaller squares, which is the 1/10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this shows 2.6. Okay, so now let's move on to the other problem, which is the decimal 3.32. Does anybody know what the third number is on the place value chart? Yeah, so it's the 100ths. It's the hundredths place. So which one should we start with? Do you guys know? Yes, so we should start with needing 3 1 strips. So I'm just gonna grab these over here. I'll set these aside. So we need 3 of these 1 strips. Now we need 3 of the small squares. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And this one might be tricky, but which one do we need last? Yeah, great job. So it's the hundredths place, and we will need 2 of them. So these little lines. So this shows 3.32. Okay, great job, guys. So I'm gonna take these off. I have another problem that is about percentages. Okay, so I'm gonna go over this chart real quick. So this says nutritional information. We have food, which is whole milk, pizza, and 1 cookie. The whole milk is 150 calories, 8 grams fat, 8 grams protein. Pizza is 230 calories, 8 grams fat, 11 grams protein. The 1 cookie is 210 calories, 10 grams fat, and 2 grams protein. So the question for this is, what percentage of the total protein comes from the cup of whole milk? Okay, so for this question, we're going to be focusing on whole milk and the 8 grams of protein, okay, because it's talking about the protein coming from the milk. So first, I want to add all of the proteins together. So the 8, 11, and 2. So 8 plus 11 plus 2 is equal to 21 of our total. So does anybody know how much protein is for the milk? Yeah, so it's 8. So we're focusing on the 8 and the total being 21 grams of protein. So the 8 grams out of the total of 21 grams of protein is equal to 38%. So what did I do to have to find this number, the final answer? What did I do? Does anybody know? Okay, that's okay. So I used division. So I did 8 divided by 21 is equal to 38%. And I did use a calculator, and that's okay. But that is basically how you would find the percentage of the total protein that came from the whole cup of milk, which is 38%. So yeah,